Welcome to the Veracity Networks Tutorials channel. This tutorial will show you how to set up a schedule in the Veracity Networks phone system. We'll start by logging in as an agent, but then we'll also go in as a system administrator because individual agents can do their own personal schedule. Here at login.veracitynetworks.com. And then system administrators can do group schedules for everybody, or they can log in and set up personal schedules for individual agents. So we've logged in, and the first thing we're going to do is go to the Profile tab, and then we're going to scroll down to the Schedule section. You got time schedules and holiday schedules, which are pretty much the same. I definitely do not recommend using the new dashboard for setting up a holiday schedule, though, because the new dashboard doesn't have the capability of doing holidays based on a last Monday of May, first Monday of September, last Thursday of November type of holiday scheduling, which you'll need for Memorial Day, Labor Day, and Thanksgiving, which many companies take as a holiday. So we're in here, and we've already got a couple in here. If you haven't been in here yet, you would click on Add New Schedule, and it would pop up one of these like that. The first thing it'll do is ask you to name your new schedule. I suggest if you're going to be doing multiple schedules to come up with a name that's really easy to identify in a drop-down. Such as M through F, 9 to 5, or a business schedule or something like that, so it's easy to identify. And we're just going to go and edit the one we've got already. And as you can see with the cursor here, when you hover it over, it'll show you what time it's over. It's based on 15-minute increments, and what you do is you just click down and hold down and just drag and then drop when you're through. And it'll round off to the nearest 15 minutes, but if you miss what you're aiming for, like I did right here, you can put your cursor over the edge so it looks like a double arrow, and just drag it a little bit further out. And then you'll have a red exclamation point. That's to remind you to click Save. There's also an option to rename and delete existing ones. Setting up a group schedule that anybody in your group can use is just as simple. You'd have to log in as an administrator at the same place that the users would, but you'll get more options there. So we're going to log in, and what you're going to do is go to Group Profile, the tab up here in the top left, and then right below that you've got the time and the holiday schedule. But again, I recommend using the old BroadSoft interface for doing the holiday schedule so that you can do last Thursday, first Monday type scheduling. So we're going to go into Time Schedules. And in this one, I've already got two set up. I've got a business hours one, and then I've got a closed schedule. Closed schedules are what you would use typically to do call forwarding selective for after-hours handling on a platinum hunt group. And it would look like this. Instead of having the times chosen of when you're at work, you'd have everything else chosen. But instead, we're going to go and look at the sandbox business hours, and as you would expect, you just set the times for whatever your schedule is. And if you're 24/7, 365, you don't even need a schedule, because all of our systems that rely on any kind of scheduling assume it's all day, every day scheduling, unless you schedule otherwise. And once you've done that, click Save just like the other one. The other thing you might want to do is if you go to Dashboard here in the top left-hand corner and go into your users, this is where an administrator can see all of their users. What you could do is you would just go in through Settings, the little gear wheel, and then click on View All Services, and it pops up a new window where you can then click on the Profile tab, and you're in what we were just in earlier when we were logged in as Agent 1. You've just come into it through the administrative backdoor. Scrolling down, there it is from earlier. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.